You look in the mirror and see the marks of time deepening every single day.
Your skin loses its bounce, and your joints feel stiff every time the weather changes.
You've tried expensive creams and trendy supplements, but the results just aren't there, are they?
The truth is, after 60, your body doesn't just lack collagen, it has forgotten how to produce it.
But what if the switch to restart your natural collagen factory is sitting right in your kitchen?
In the next 20 minutes, I'm revealing the 3 golden grains that are scientifically proven to rebuild you.
We'll dive into the essential amino acids and the exact minerals that turn back your biological clock.
From daily meal plans to the secrets of absorption, this is your ultimate guide to internal rejuvenation.
Stop letting age define your strength. It's time to take control of your health, one bite at a time.
Your journey to a stronger, more vibrant self begins right now. Let's dive in.
Have you noticed your skin isn't as firm as it used to be?
Do small cuts or bruises take much longer to heal now?
Do your joints start to ache whenever the weather changes?
After 60, the collagen that keeps us youthful drops significantly.
Creams and supplements are popular, but they aren't the only way.
The most sustainable way to rebuild is actually from within.
Today, we reveal 3 miracle grains for natural collagen.
These grains are packed with the minerals your body craves. They provide the essential building blocks for protein synthesis.
Let's start with the first superfood, the mighty quinoa.
Quinoa is a complete protein, unlike most plant-based foods.
It contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs.
These acids are the architects of your skin's inner frame.
Glycine and proline work together to stop skin sagging.
Rich in zinc and magnesium, it repairs your tissues daily.
To unlock its power, simply boil or steam it until fluffy.
Pro tip, add vitamin C to boost collagen absorption significantly.
In just weeks, you'll feel your skin becoming more resilient.
Your joints will thank you as the internal repair begins.
Quinoa is your foundation. Now, let's look at the protector.
Introducing the second grain, the humble but mighty millet.
Millet is often forgotten, but it's a treasure for seniors.
It's loaded with copper, magnesium, and the essential zinc. Ooh.
Without copper, collagen becomes brittle, leading to thin hair.
Millet ensures your connective tissues stay elastic and strong.
Eating just half a bowl a few times a week is enough.
It's easy to digest and perfect for a light evening meal.
Next, we explore the ultimate shield for your skin cells.
The third secret grain is buckwheat, a true skin shield.
Buckwheat is famous for rutin, a powerful bioflavonoid.
Rutin strengthens your capillaries and improves blood flow.
Better circulation means more nutrients reach your skin cells.
It protects existing collagen from being destroyed by toxins.
Ultra opastor bewertenis. This double action keeps your skin thick and youthful.
Buckwheat flour is a great gluten-free alternative for baking.
Or try soba noodles for a delicious collagen-saving dinner.
Toasting them enhances the flavor and preserves the nutrients. Protecting your collagen means protecting your mobility.
Combining these three creates a powerful anti-aging synergy.
Make these grains a permanent part of your weekly shopping.
They are affordable, easy to store, and life-changing.
Your body has the power to heal. You just need to fuel it. But how do we combine them for the best results?
Week 1. Your cells begin to hydrate and absorb vital nutrients.
Week 2. You might notice less morning stiffness in your hands.
Nutrients from millet are starting to reach your connective tissues.
Week 4, collagen synthesis starts showing on the surface.
Your hair might feel thicker as copper from millet does its work.
Stronger nails are a classic sign that your protein intake is working.
Month 2. Your tendons and ligaments are becoming more elastic.
Collagen is the glue that holds your joints together.
Friends might start asking if you've changed your skincare routine.
The secret is the glow from within that no cream can copy.
Better collagen means better muscle-to-bone connectivity. Your body repairs collagen most effectively while you sleep.
At 90 days, you have officially reset your skin's biological clock. Consistency has turned these grains into your fountain of youth.
In je verstand is je huid. It's not just about looks, it's about structural integrity.
Buckwheat continues to shield your cells from daily pollution.
Every meal is an opportunity to rebuild your body.
We aren't erasing age. We are aging with strength and grace.
You've mastered the basics. Now, let's optimize the results.
You'll feel more like yourself than you have in years.
Your heart benefits from the fiber in these grains too.
Warm grains are easier for an aging digestive system to process.
Hundred videos down. Now, let's talk about the perfect pairings.
Pair quinoa with feta fish for omega-3 and protein synergy.
Eggs provide sulfur, another secret ingredient for collagen.
The acid in lime helps break down grains for better absorption.
Spinach adds iron, carrying oxygen to your skin's repair zones.
Healthy fats from avocado keep your skin cell walls flexible.
Walnuts add vitamin E, a natural protector against UV damage.
Bone broth and grains are the ultimate collagen power couple.
Red peppers have more vitamin C than oranges, perfect for grains.
Carrots and sweet potatoes provide vitamin A for skin turnover.
Turmeric reduces inflammation, allowing collagen to heal faster.
Black pepper helps your body absorb the healing turmeric.
A tiny bit of red wine has resveratrol, supporting Routin's work.
Garlic contains lipoic acid and taurine to rebuild damaged fibers.
Zinc from pumpkin seeds is the spark for collagen production.
When you combine these, you aren't just eating, you're healing.
Think of your plate as a construction site for new skin.
The right food makes your body feel light and capable.
Swap white bread for buckwheat bread starting today.
Small swaps lead to massive changes over 12 months.
Track how you feel after eating these grains. Notice the energy?
It looks like art, but it's actually biological fuel.
Keep your internal environment clean for the grains to work.
Nature has everything you need to age beautifully.
Now, let's talk about the mindset of a collagen warrior.
Health is a journey of patience, not a race of speed.
Every grain you eat is a seed planted for your future health.
You deserve to enjoy your golden years with a strong body.
Don't be discouraged by the past. Start where you are.
Eating well is the cheapest and best insurance policy.
Inspire others by showing them what's possible after 60.
Quinoa, millet, and buckwheat, your 3 new best friends.
Clean your kitchen. Clean your life.
Renew your body.
When your joints don't hurt, life becomes a celebration.
You can't stop time, but you can certainly slow its impact.
I believe in your ability to transform from the inside out.
The science is clear. The grains are ready. Are you?
Information is only power if you put it into action.
Your next trip to the store could change your life.
Small grains, massive impact. Never underestimate them.
Stay hydrated, stay grainy, and stay youthful.
We've covered the why, the what, and the how.
Today is day one of your new collagen journey.
Beauty isn't about being young. It's about being vibrant.
Thank you for joining me on this 20-minute masterclass. For that, just ready to support them.
If this helped you, share it with someone you love. Rebuild your collagen. Rebuild your life. Starting now.
I'm your name / voice name. See you in the next episode.